What's going on, everybody? Back again for another video. Today we're doing a little welcome sign craft thing for the front of our house in the entryway. I'm gonna insert a picture of what it's supposed to look like here. Bam. And we're gonna start the process. Me and my wife already started the process. Sorry, truck went by. Me and my wife started the process last week by painting the letters black for the welcome letters, the actual letters that spell welcome. We painted those black, spray painted those black. I'll insert footage of that right here. So with that, we have to get our hardware to put on top of there for the top and bottom, make it like look kind of an old school barn look. So the wood that we have picked up is 2 6-foot dog-eared wood fence pieces that we picked up. I had this gray wood stain in the house already. Got this brush from Dollar General. Sandpaper I already had, and this is white painter's edge tape. Painter's edge paint that came with the house. It was like extra paint that I had to trim. So I'm gonna start this off by staining this the gray, and then I'm whitewash it with this right here, and then I'm sanding it to give it that old weather look. So I'm gonna put you on a tripod. Put you on a tripod and see how this goes. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. SpongeBob, careful. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
So that's the first piece painted. We have to wait till wait till it dries, and then I'm gonna take the painter's edge white tape. I keep saying tape, paint, and do 1/2 water, 1/2 paint, and whitewash it with a rag. Well, probably paper towel. And then I'm gonna paint the other piece of wood, stain it gray, let them dry, and then we'll come back and whitewash it. Okay, the wood has dried for about an hour. Oh man, I'm all over the place. There we go. The wood has dried about an hour. This is how it looks. So the wood sucked it up pretty good. The other piece. So we're doing this. You ain't got to worry about make it look all pretty, like even coat. So you're trying to make it like the old school, not old school, but weathered look, like barn wood. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I didn't paint the edges because you're not gonna see those once you got all the letters and stuff up here. You're not gonna see those unless you're just a nitpicky person that's gonna actually, oh, you didn't paint the edges, but I'm not too worried about that. So now I'm going to mix up the paint. 1 part water. I did probably to about midway right here on the cup, and then fill the rest of the paint, mix it together, and then that's how you make whitewash. And this is a little mixing stick, just regular marker post I found. So I'll get it mixed up. Look about like milk. What kind of sort of? That paint was old, but I won't go buy a whole brand new, well, gallon of paint. Well, not really a gallon, but I won't about to buy new paint. That's all I'm doing. Just to whitewash this. Alright, let's see how this goes. So pretty much take your t-shirt or paper towel, but I think it'll work better with a t-shirt. This is an old t-shirt here. Take it. Well, I don't know, maybe it has to mix up some more. Okay, that's better. Okay, that came out better. Get you some sandpaper, 150 grit, or you can go lower too, but either one. And before it even dry, you start sanding it. I look with just the 150 grit sandpaper. Sorry, looking real aged. So I'm gonna hit it with the 80 grit and see how that comes out. So I got all the wood painted. This is what it looks like. I haven't put the hardwood in yet. That's the hardware. It looks good. These are the letters. Welcome. We painted those. Too dark. We painted those like a week or two or more ago. Because our first plan was to use a vinegar and hydrogen peroxide like mixture to age the wood, but I forgot to put the steel wool in the vinegar. Been long weeks and stuff like that, so I forgot. So that's why I'm doing the gray with the whitewash. So now I'm gonna drill these in, the 2 hardware pieces, set the letters up there, see how they look, and then we'll be done with it. So I got the hardware on. Now we're gonna put the welcome letters up there, place them see how they look before I screw them in, and then that'll be it. Oh, and I put some polyurethane, not polyurethane, I'm sorry, clear coat on there for the whole thing, so it'll seal it up, look all nice and shiny. But that'll be it. So I'll put y'all back on the tripod, and y'all take a gander while I'm doing it. So this is all nailed in. This is Sharpie Pro, marks on wet and oily surfaces. Focus, focus, focus. There we go. And I'm gonna cover up the little nail head spots with this. Now I'm gonna get the clear coat spray on there, and that'll be in this project. Check this up. And just regular Rust-Oleum clear, gloss clear. Give a nice little shine to it. Put it up in the entryway, and I'll show you the finished product.
You showed me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of.
So there's a finished product, as you see right there. Hold on, yeah, right there. Finished product. It took me a total of maybe an hour to do that. I'll put a price of everything down in the description box down here, but overall it cost me probably maybe 30 bucks. If it's more, I'll change. I'll put something over here saying it costs more, but it really wasn't that much. So the most expensive thing to buy was the which I already had, was the actual wood stain itself. The black paint, I use rattle cans for that, and that was it. So that's the finished product. Hope you have a good one. Keep your head up, keep God first, and keep moving. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a stick up.